There's a weird thing I discovered from Google. Quick draw with google.com. Can a neural network learn to recognize doodling? So I'm helping to train this artificial intelligence thing. It's an AI experiment made with some friends from Google. I'm probably teaching this thing to take over the world and destroy humanity, but never mind. Let's draw. It says draw a potato in 120 seconds. Got it. Okay, so I'm going to go kind of like...
I see squiggle. Oh, I know. It's potato.
Quick. There we are. Draw a motorbike in under 20 seconds.
I see circle.
Like
or
something
blueberry.
like
Or eyeglasses.
that.
Or drums. Oh, I know. It's motorbike.
Draw a bear in under 20 seconds.
I see bracelet. Oh, I know. It's bear.
Yeah. Draw bread. Okay, right.
I see hula hoop or pond. Oh, I know. It's bread.
That was quick. Draw a dishwasher.
I see square. Oh, I know. It's dishwasher.
Okay, draw a diamond.
I see keyboard or bread or pool. Oh, I know. It's diamond.
It is. It got me. It got me. So I'll have to play again. The Great Wall of China in under 20 seconds. Oh.
I see zigzag or ocean or speedboat or toothpaste. I see garden hose or campfire or garden or animal migration. I see matches or confetti or beach or dragon. I see comet or magic wand.
Come along,
I
you.
know. It's the Great Wall.
Yes, well done. Draw a postcard. Right.
I see square or window or eraser. Oh, I know. It's postcard.
It is a postcard. Draw a dragon. Okay.
I see bread or potato or animal migration or guitar. I see binoculars or police car or motorbike or unicycle. Oh, I know. It's dragon.
Draw a lipstick.
I
It's
see
gonna look.
scissors
It's
or
gonna look like a
scissors or
bullet.
shovel.
Okay, something went wrong there. Let's try another one. Draw a light bulb.
I see zigzag or tornado. Oh, I know. It's light bulb.
It is a light bulb. Draw a trombone.
I see basketball or megaphone. Oh, I know. It's trombone.
Draw an octopus.
I see mouse or crab or mosquito or sea turtle or cow. I see cat or bridge or fox or raccoon or animal migration. I see flying saucer or squirrel or gun. I see submarine.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
or
7,
dragon.
8.
I see bat.
Oh, come along.
Sorry, I couldn't guess it.
Draw an anvil. Oh.
I see square. I see window or boaty or moustache. Oh, I know. It's anvil.
Draw a harp. Okay, I did this one
I see
before.
hoop or baseball or watermelon or onion. I see pond or mouth.
Oh, come
or
along.
boomerang or steak.
You know what that is. Come along.
I see shrimp.
No, you don't.
I see sink or speedboat or submarine or birthday
Oh,
cake.
don't be
I see
stupid.
pool
Don't be
or
stupid.
blueberry.
Don't be stupid.
Sorry, I couldn't guess it.
You're stupid. Draw a horse.
I see heart or fish or mosquito or pineapple or mouse. I see bear
You see, you
or
can't.
raccoon or kangaroo. Oh, I know. It's horse.
It is a horse. Well done. Thank you. You can't be. Look, see, if we go and check that harp. Look. Look, and I know other people have done things almost identical, and it really should have got. Look, that is almost identical, because I've seen this before, and I had to add on an extra little bit below just to kind of show. Oh, that was useless. Okay, let's have another go here. Play again. Draw a tent. Okay.
I see triangle. Oh, I know. It's tent.
It is a tent. Camouflage. Oh.
I see zigzag or hurricane or moustache or grass. Oh, I know. It's camouflage.
It is camouflage. Draw grass.
Oh, I know. It's grass.
Draw a skull. Oh.
I see knee or nail or eyeglass. Oh, I know. It's skull.
It is. Draw a mug. Right, okay.
I see nail
down
or
like
table or paint can. Oh, I know. It's mug.
It is a mug. Draw a toothbrush.
I see line, or ocean, or garden hose, or belt. I see the Great Wall of China.
You don't see the Great Wall of China. Don't be stupid. Right, I'm going to do this one more time. Draw a saw. Okay.
I see seesaw. Oh, I know. It's saw.
It is a saw, yes. Draw a brain. Oh.
I see name, or moon, or river, or water slide, or cookie. Oh, I know. It's rain.
Right, draw eyeglasses.
I see boaty, or squiggle. Oh, I know. It's eyeglasses.
It is. Draw a map.
I see square, or jail, or microwave, or postcard. I see calendar, or spreadsheet, or trash can, or ball.
I mean, too obvious.
What you're drawing.
No, I don't think you do. I don't think I have a clue what I'm
sure
drawing.
what that is.
Oh, come on, it's a map. So this is the world's largest data doodling set. Look, this is what 50 million drawings look like. And you can pick one of these. Let's have a look at Pocket Calculator and see how people draw. That's all pretty much the same. So let's draw something different, like a camera. It's quite interesting. You see, that's a nice little one there. And I think you can probably learn a lot by looking at these to see what it is that people think of and see. That's really, really interesting. I think it's really, really, really interesting. So keep coming back to the Shoo Rayner Drawing channel. In the meantime, keep doodling. Quick draw that data, and I'll see you next time. Make sure you'll subscribe.